You're going to learn how to install a regular zipper with an invisible zipper foot. Not to be confused with an invisible zipper. That's for another video. With an invisible zipper, the teeth aren't showing. When doing this method, the teeth are exposed, however the zipper tape is not. This is an invisible zipper foot, also known as a concealed zipper foot. There's a center hole for your needle, and there are 2 grooves on the bottom of the foot for your zipper teeth. These grooves ensure that your zipper will be positioned perfectly while sewing. First, interface the wrong side of the fabric according to the instructions. Next, mark the starting point of your zipper and the end point. Also, mark your fabric where the seam line will be. If you're sewing a garment, this will likely be 5/8 of an inch. Open your zipper. With a cool iron, press to flatten the zipper teeth. Left fabric first. With your fabric right side up, grab your zipper and place it right side down. Put the top stop on your top mark and make sure that the teeth of the zipper are on the drawn seam line. Pin or baste in place. With your invisible zipper foot installed, place the foot over the zipper teeth. Use the left groove. When you reach your end mark, make sure to backstitch to secure. To prevent your zipper from twisting, you can now close your zipper. Take your left fabric and place it right side down on your right fabric. Make sure that the right side of the zipper is touching the right side of the right fabric. Woo! Once again, you will need to match the top stop with your top mark. Once you have a pin or 2 in place, you can open your zipper. This makes it much easier to ensure that the zipper teeth are on the seam line. Once again, pin or baste in place. Let's do the other side. This time, use the right groove of the invisible zipper foot. Once again, sew until you reach your mark. Backstitch to secure. This is a great time to test your zipper. Perfect. Now we just need to complete the seam. Get the zipper out of the way and match up your fabric. I prefer using a regular zipper foot for the last part. Lastly, we need to create a new stop. Pop on your general purpose foot, select a wide stitch width and 0 for your stitch length. Do several zigzag stitches. Trim away the excess and you're done. All you have to do is press. Don't forget to come visit us at sewingpartsonline.com.